So in this video, I want to show you how easy it is to get a pot of overnight oats ready to go for cooking in the morning. This is going to improve digestibility of your breakfast considerably. It's going to stick with you so you won't have any mid-morning sugar cravings, and it's just infinitely more nutritious because your body can absorb the nutrients much better because it's more digestible. So if you have been not making overnight oats because you think it's too inconvenient to get it ready the night before, let me just show you how simple it is. First of all, I take 1 cup of organic oats and you just dump it into a pot like that. Then I've got 2 cups of filtered water here and you just dump it in like that. And then I take half a small lemon and just squeeze it in like that and stir it up. You can also substitute like a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar if you prefer, or a tablespoon of liquid whey. I prefer lemon juice because it just makes the resulting oatmeal just taste better, in my opinion. So once you stir it up, you just put the top on the pot there and just leave it on the counter overnight, and in the morning just take off the cover and look at the oatmeal and see if it needs any more water. Add a little bit more water if necessary. Stir it up, cook it in about 5 minutes or less. It's ready to go, and you've got a great breakfast that's infinitely more nutritious.